Ngiyakhuleka kwabesilo, ngiyakhuleka kwezizwe zonke. Yeah. Nobuso biyasho ukuthi ngikhathele. Indlela yami ebiyinde ngiqale le Bergville entabeni zokhahlamba. Ngase ngidlula. Uyacabanga ngena kuze ekugcineni le serious results ase ako Bergville. Bekufanele ngabe this video ngiyenze very early because I've been collecting affidavits and statements from witnesses a case evulwayo against insizwa le uPutin uThabani undodana lo ngifisa ngifisa ukuthi this one ngengithola abantu abadala abahlakaniphile man to assist on this one. Ayikho into engihlukumeze emoyeni. You can tell even from my face ukuthi it drained me ngalendlela yokuthi I didn't know ukuthi kanti inkinga umuntu abhekene nayo inkulu kanje. I went to see family kaThabani. I went to see uma kaThabani. Ubengafisa ukuthi kukhulunywe naye ngodaba likaThabani because she wrote her off a long time ago. Ekhala even ngisamfonela ekhala ethi kodwa pho mina ngingenapho odabeni kaThabani ngikhathele uThabani ngincamela ukufa mina mntwana cause ngamkhipha kwi-system yami. Why njalo mangabe abantu sebehlukunyezwe uThabani ohlukumeze mina ngaphezulu kwawo wonke omunye umuntu bezobuya beqale phansi bezofuna mina ngithi mina mzali, there's one thing ekufanele understand. Ingane siyizele umzali wakho uThabani wena okhonzile esizweni, wena umzali okhona noma ukube kuthiwa ube khona ubaba wakhe ngabe nobaba wakhe uyingxenye yalokho. So unfortunately icala lakhona lizobuya kuwe ngoba uyena osuke registered esizweni umzali not ingane yakhe. Uma selimbula ingubo langena, we are not here because sithi sisola wena mzali. Okokuqala fanele sibuyele la kavela khona umfana. Ngichaze ukuthi I'm collecting statements, affidavits and witness statements. Amanye angena through phone. I've met at least about 6 people abanama cases are different regarding udaba likaThabani and their evidence and everything. But angaze ngithwale kanje. I thought I was going to be in and out of Bergville. Sifike ekseni, safikele emsebenzini kama wakhe. Masingena nje kuqala emsebenzini kama wakhe. They didn't know ukuthi size ngani. Kwayena kube ngangazi in person umama nami bengingamazi bengengize imkhombe futhi. So uma ngifika egate okay ngicela ukungena, okay ngicela ukwenza ibooking, vele indawo engiyazi engijwayele ngokwa tourism. Ngicela ukungena sizobhuka amahashi because she works in a resort somewhere. Zobhuka amahashi and accommodation hayi nangempela basingenise benza the processes akhona security. Then masifika ngaphakathi again I asked for a manager yase resort only to find ukuthi umuntu engibuza kuyena uma kaThabani. Nakhona ubona ngoba sengisayina phansi and usehlanganisizwe ukuthi izwi ngathi uyena. Then she asked for manager wakhe. Manager wakhe ubani lo sisule uTibu I think oba lapho uTibu acele okuyena omphethe ke front office or front desk acele yena anqaba usisi ubenqabile kwakuthi lunchini before because besombonela ekhaya uma kaThabani. But besinezathu eziningi ezokwenza ukuthi asingambone yedwa, especially because ezinye izinto for security reasons and udaba olunjengaloya besifuna vele la kuzoba witnesses khona. So I decided to go to emsebenzini and nakhona vele kubelula for me to deal with udaba lakhe emsebenzini because just ngaloya nyaka not lo sibuya kona ngaloya nyaka kwangena cases from the very same establishment where abasebenzi abagundi loan lapha abenzi loan abasebenzi baka housekeeping abasebenzi baka-maintenance babe complaina ngendlela yokuphatheka ama-hour uyayazi indaba yalezi ndawo. So for i-trip yethu ngithe angihlanganise nabo as leya resort kwayintabeni ese-Newcastle kwazoba i-Redlands bese siqhubeka nohambo lethu because besihamba kakhulu, sihambile nje futhi kakhulu. Sazohamba sonke lesi sikhathi, mningi umsebenzi besinawo kwi-backlog kakhulu, eMpumalanga, Western Cape, ngeke ngisasho ukuthi ngikuphi ngoba ngizohlushwa abantu bangalapho kanti nginama-case abese long overdue specific. Mpumalanga, Northwest, Gauteng, Free State, maningi bekufanele ngabe sesiwahambile, so sinaleyo backlog silapho ke ukwenza leyo msebenzi. So only to find ukuthi ke uma ngabe sesikhona kumama simcela nqaba umanager wakho ukuthi sibone yena, because sicela umanager, thina sicela ngomama, sicela umanager ngoba angimazi phela umama ukuthi uyena noma omunye umuntu bengingazi. Okay, ubuze futhi na njengawo wonke umuntu othi maye ngibona ajabulela ukuthi uyangibona kanjani, ngayithetha hayi shothi ungazela lapha. Only to find ukuthi okay, ngicele umanager oqhamukile bekuwomunye osebenza naye umanager wakhe wase front desk, but yena ukuleli side lase restaurant leyansizwa. Mangicela besithi ayi singomanager but ngingalalela, ngithi bese yithi mina ngicela ngize ngodaba ngiqale ngichaze lolu elokuthi kwangena i-complaint nge-establishment but sofisa ukuthi senze appointment because kofanele sibuye sekunalezi zinto esiyidinga. Ngayibala ke I've got that clip, i-video ngikhuluma nalensizwa. Then bese ngicela usisi wakaHlatshwayo, ngazi noma ngizothi umama noma ngizothi usisi, athi muphi yena ngoba bawu-3 la ekhaya. Khona waka housekeeping, kube owase restaurant, kube yilo owase reception. So I didn't know ukuthi ngizothi uyena muphi ngoba anginalo igama lika Makathabani, but ngiyazi ukuthi wakaHlatshwayo. Hayi okay, ngigcine ngithola ke ngoba ngimtshengisa inamba, ngathola ukuthi kwale number yena akanayo inamba kamama wakhona, mcingeke bese yakhe yena ke. Then bese yocela umanager wakhe ke, umanager wakhe athi hamba kodwa bengavumile. Futhi she was going to face the consequences ukuthi attend ukuba nathi. So ise reception, yena umanager kwafanele ukuthi azombambele reception, then umama besihleli naye nje sibukane reception ongawuthi kwayena ubecisha zizwe indaba, because they couldn't provide us with the space is private, especially because umama ubenezinto ezisensitive akade ikhuluma. So sahlala la first table le restaurant maqondana ne reception, futhi abehlala lokho embheka usisi utable lo yena uMakathabani. Hayi okay, ngichaze ngumntwana ulondiwe kanje athi kodwa mama bengishilo ukuthi ngicela nje indaba kaThabani ngikhipheni kuyona because kwamina ngiyivictim yezinto ezenziwa uThabani. Ngithi mina isizathu sokuthi ngize ileze engichazile ukuthi ingane inomzali, umzali sirifeywe kuwe, sarifeya kumalume ekuthiwa uBig Zulu. Athi nayo leyo nto kaBig Zulu asizona ihlobo ngempela. Yabona umama ngendlela ngiphule ngayo umoya lo mama. Khona lapho kuleso space angichazela ukuthi kuza kanjani beyihlobo noBig Zulu, not ukuthi bazalwe egcekeni. I-background yakhe mayezalwa uma wakhe yena wamlahla. Amlahla emfuleni, watholwa ephila, bamsave. Second half emlahla uma wakhe amzala second half uma wakhe emlahla kwaba nenhlahla yokuthi uma kaBig Zulu wayesefasteleni wambona emkhipha uma kaThabani, wazwala imali ukhombeka isika ebusweni lazala imali akhona, emkhipha emlahla nakhona wasavwa yibo ke abaka Big Zulu, okwenza ukuthi kube ngathi kunobuhlobo obukhona but wamsave nje specifically. Then bona uThabani na uma wakhe bahlala bakhula kugogo, bekhuliswa ugogo, umama engamfuna kumbona athi noma emthuke nangakho ukuthi yikhaya ezama nokumbulala kanjani. And the way istory samama besi sensitive ngakhona, we were all crying just when I thought that was worse. Angene kwi-abuse ukuthi mina mntwana angiyazi impilo emnandi since ngingane at the age of 8. nga-assaultwa and sexually and otherwise. Ngikhula ngina 15 ngakhulela uThabani, ngikhulela uThabani kade sengathi ngiqomile kodwa ngingaqomile. Umuntu ewakufanele ngabe uyangiprotecta mina nomngani wami wangibamba waqeda wangitshela ukuthi from now on usuyintombi yami. Uthi wayezenzela njalo so much that wathi ngisho sekhulelwa wayengazi nokuthi ukhulelwe yini ukukhulelwa up until ugogo amphakamisisa isiskipa at the age of 15 kanti usekhulela uThabani. Angazi wabona ngamabele uyakwazi ke bantu besifazane. Since that time impilo yakhe yaba imess. Wahlala ewunoname ufamily yakhe iyimesi njalo konakala ukuthi kushona ugogo. Makushona ugogo baba ama street kids bona baba ama street kids. Emva kwalokho bahlukumezeka into ongayazi behlukumezeka nje okuningi ubengakwazi ngisho ukuthi aza kukhulume because she was crying throughout. Ubona ukuthi the pain ekuyena. Uthi futhi okwenza ukuthi at some point abone ukuthi kwayena uThabani ube yilento ayiyona because of the background nayo yonke into. So much that wakwalandwa ama social work uThabani ney'ngane zakwabo kuzophuca umama lo. Bamphuca wazahamba zawokhulela kumamkhulu wabo. That's when ke aqala ukubona i-face of life because ubengasemuntu yena engasebenzi impilo yabo ingelutho. Bathatha bakhulisa umamkhulu beney'moto kadriveke abe spoiled uThabani. Ubuthuku bethi ngisho ekudlula akuthele ngodaka aqeda kubuka akuhleka akhipha isandla ngaphandle akuhleke ekuthela ngodaka athele yena uma wakhe ngodaka. Up until at some point at his teenage stage wayefunda wakwazama ukuyibulala. Ngasazi ukuthi icala kuthiwa kwakwenzakaleni wathatha ummese wawubeka la sekufika amaphoyisa ngoba ayilandwa amaphoyisa. Wathi uyayibulala kukhona. Uthi kwakhosta ukuthi amaphoyisa amthreatenisha ngokuthi azomdubula. Babuza yena ukuthi adutshulwe because ayisephenika kwawona ukuthi nangu umuntu ezoyibulala during i-presence yakhe. Okungangokuthi agcina amaphoyisa ekwazile ukuthi amnqobe kuleyo incident yalowo mmese ayikade kuwona. Uyabala ke sesikhona epolice station uyabala ukuthi nokuba kuthiwa amaphoyisa ayabazi. There was the incident efaka amaphoyisa ayefika ezomsave kanjalo. The other incident is where uThabani uthi umama wayethengwe uma wakhe uThabani. Ugogo kaThabani wayethenge uThabani. Emthenga usesebenze Lancet. Umthenga because umalume kaThabani bayezwana nomama. Ufuna kuzobulawa umalume. Then uThabani esebenze Lancet labo bangani bakhe ababize ngenkabo mama bahamba naye uThabani kuthiwa yena wayephethe isibhamu siqo efuna umalume ukudubula umalume. Ngathi waphazanyiswa yifone yakhala khona lapho umalume wakhona ukubaleka. Wajomba amafence ebusuku wajomba amafence wajomba umbili ingadi yombila wabaleka okwasiza ukuthi bengamtholi. They thought ubalekele ezihlobene eziseduze around khona kanti udlulile waya komunye emizi abakhula becoshwe yiwona futhi nalowo muzi at some point. So abangamthola but babengena imizi nemizi ongakuthi yonke omakhelwane balapho bawofakazi of incident. Nomama umama la aphumela kuyena unfortunately kunesifo khona besingakwazi ukuthi siye khona. Besides umama ubengafuni kuthiwa kungena abanye abantu uthi ngiyakwazi ukuyimela inkinga yami. To a point where athi wagcina exoshwa uThabani kaLancet exoshwa esebenza kunjalo because bona laba abantu bakhe kade kuyinkabe ngoma uma wakhe uThabani uma kaThabani zagcina zimphuca imoto emsebenzini angazi ayoga ngaphi kwakhona wayesexoshwa ke emsebenzini khona kaLancet. Uthi since that day uThabani azaphinda abe right empilweni. So much that ubehamba ke hlala ke la hlala khona sekuba nezikandali zakhona. Uthi wakwangimangaza eseyipostile ethi usefile yena. Abantu bakhala nomndeni ufuna ukukhulumisa lolo daba wathi hey ngiyeke uThabani akho uThabani ofile la. bafethu ngingabala laphana kushona ilanga uyakwazi ukuthi ubuze ubuhlungu uzusikwe uzumsiko ngendlela lo mama bekhala ngakhona behlukumezeke ngakhona azabuye ngisho emsebenzini athi kwasemsebenzini ayithi ngiqala ukusebenza ngathi uqala ukusebenza 2018 khona noma 2012 and ubebuye emgwaqeni at the time. Since that day akaze azothathiswa umuntu serious, she's bullied emsebenzini so much that ubekhala kwakhona ukuthi njengoba usuka mntwana la ngizoqeda ngixoshwe njengoba enqaba umanager wami akekho umuntu ongangifuni njengalo sisi selokhu ekhona uyangihlukumeza. Ngithi mina ukuhlukumeza makwenze njani? Apparently kunomngani wakhe umanager okuyena obesebenza reception noma kaThabani. Lo sisi lo kwathi kuzoshaya something to 2 ekuzongena ngawo makaThabana de khona yena lo sisi reception kukhokha ama guest ebhuka amahashi akhokha 750 kanti usezophuma lo sisi kusho ukuthi abona ukuthi hayi ngoba wafikile ama guest usisi athatha imali ayifaka esikhwameni ahambe angena uMakaThabani kanti uzothetha usiyophuma egatini yena lo sisi ucolleague wakhe nanka ama guest asesemahashini lo obasiza emahashini acela ama receipts ama guest awana ama receipts athi lo sisi bafakeni emahashini athi lo sebenza emahashini cha phela kufuneka i-evidence athi hayi uzoyithola akaqhubeka abagibeze kusho ukuthi bagibele kamahashi lawo lingene icala azayikhokhe ngakusasa ariporteke uMakaThabani ukuthi kunenkinga kanje nakhona wenziswa ukuthi uyayazi incident thank you we omunye waxoshela ukuthi kuduka u50 rand futhi nakhona istory esjustifyekayo salo 50 rand ukuthi uthathe kanjani but hayi ukuthi uthathe kanjani kwawona ukuthi ushonephi so ubuza ukuthi isono sami because ugcine lo sisi lo manager wakhe uLebu lo esimficile uBantebu lo esimficile ugcine emzonda so much that is free thina kwathina izolo nje kuvele for the past 2 weeks usisi uiltreatekile kuthi ucabanga ukuthi special kwakhona kuthiwa besiyaphi thina namhlanje ke thina besiyaphi uyasho usisi ukuthi mina angibazi nokuthi bebezoyaphi mina appointment abayenzile after 2 ekhaya bengingazi ukuthi bazofika emsebenzini ayibambhulisha ke ongangokuthi namhlanje sikhundleni sokuthi discipline umthathi wemali njengabanye bebehlale bediscipline umphathi wa decide ukuthi angayi-address kwi-group indaba ajwayele ukui-addressa kwi-group uma ngabe kune issue khona but ekamngani wakhe akayikhulumanga khona futhi yakhokhwa ngakusasa leyo mali sikhokhwa uye lo mngani wakhe nakhona ekubonakala ukuthi wayebhizi ephithiza okungazi ukuthi why imali angayifakanga esafini yet she even claimed ukuthi wayefake kwi-safe imali and nokhiye kwathi ukhiye wokuvula wukho so lo mngani wakhe lo manager uLebu has been covering for lo mngani wakhe lo ntshontshe imali ngoba phela wayentshontshile leyo mali yabelungu is been covering for yena icala ke likaMakaThabane lokuthi why did she report it kushoot ngoba phela naye kwakufanele aphume kuleyo nkinga ngoba uyena wayengena emsebenzini ama guest afika ngesikhathi sakhe sokuthi kusetshenzwe kuyabe Seliana kuyabe ke njengoba sikhona ke namhlanje uyabizwa ke ubephuma emsebenzini ngo2 cause bengimlindile okay uma bezwa ke kubuzwa indaba yokuthi bebeyaphhi laba abantu ebebefikile uthi no bebeze kimi for i-incident cause kutholakala ukuthi ngicishe ngayibulala ubezama ukuyibulala akasaqali ke nokho ke ngokuchaza kwakhe at some point wazama ukuyibulala again so ubezama ukuyibulala cause abantu they keep on telling yena ngoThabani and so njoba sefikile ke nje thina kwenze izinto za West but yena wakwazi ukuthi abhoboka agcine ekhuluma ngoba uke wathreatenisha nje wakhala police station ngoba ngisuke naye emsebenzini saya kwakhe ngathola omakhelwane bakhe saqeda saya we umbrella bamba